Hey guys, I'm Steve and I have FOMO. So today we're staying at the beach club and we got a little special surprise. We got upgraded finally.
Woo, a little bit of pixie dust.
Yeah, we finally got a little bit of pixie dust after seeing it happen to so many other people. We booked a deluxe studio and upon entering the room, we realized that it was actually a one bedroom. So let's go check it out right now. All right, so starting out here with a little hidden Mickey on the carpet. Let's go right inside room 245. All right, hello.
Hello.
I have a little table right here. I always love that at the entrances to the room so you can put some stuff either if you're coming and going or as you're leaving, just kind of leave some stuff there. Got some artwork right here and then really opens up as we get in here.
I love the hidden Mickey on the table.
Yeah, definitely love the Mickey there. And the table's definitely pushed up a little bit too much. I guess they just want you to have as much room as possible, but we can pull that out. I really don't even know where to start. I guess let's just start with the kitchen.
We have a kitchen.
We have a kitchen. Yeah, so, full sink there, fridge.
With a full freezer. We have a
Full freezer. Yeah, wow.
Oh, we can make our own ice if we had enough time.
Oh, yeah.
Not enough time for that. We'll save that for another day.
We're just doing it one night as we always do with the staycations.
Pretty much
So, full fridge. All right. Then, we can do a lot more now in terms of making food in here. Usually we make a frozen pizza.
It goes in the microwave.
That goes in the microwave, and now we can get like a full-size pizza that can go in the oven. So there's an upgrade.
And we can make cookies.
And we can make cookies. And again, probably don't have time for that on this day, but still, there we go. So you have all that.
We also have a dishwasher.
What? We do have a dishwasher. And look, honestly, a lot of this stuff is wasted on us. I mean, we're just here mostly for the pool area, and then we're here for a night, and that's it. So it's a little bit. I know. I really love these. These are really, really nice. Anything up here?
Okay.
Oh, a little tea kettle. There you go. And then let's check these out. Yeah, a bunch of dishes, cups, and glasses here. Oh yeah, a bunch of different glasses. That's nice. Wine glasses, more. Basically everything that was over in that one.
Wow.
Oh wow, a lot of stuff in here. We getting some cheese. We got a grater.
What do we
And like measuring bowls, I guess.
What do we make pizza on?
I don't know, we'll figure it out. Yeah, just a bunch of stuff in there. There's everything else that you can, here's everything that's here, and then you can request some extra stuff here.
Can we get a rice cooker here?
So, what's up?
Can we get a rice cooker here on the
Yeah, just that Lonnie. I don't think we can get the rice cooker here. Okay, so that's everything for the amenities. Let's close that up. And now, have a coffee maker there with the Joffreys, tea, all that. There's our ice bucket, a bunch of drawers here. Okay, that's a very, small drawer, but tons of stuff in it. All the utensils that you might use, but we probably won't. There's some more storage down there. I don't think these open up. Oh, they do. There's a little cutting board and baking pan in there. And then does this open up? No, okay, that one's just for show. That's fun. All right, toaster over there. Did not show anything here. I think I showed everything. Anything under here? Oh, got it. Even like a whole dish drying rack, I guess. With the sponge, the detergent, everything like that down there. Okay. And, okay, that is not how you close that. There we go. So, what next? Already showed the table. We got this light here that I've hit my head on 3 times already. And it's interesting with the little faux window there with the mirror. Okay, some more artwork over here. And then pull-out couch. I mean, yeah, it's still pull-out, right? Oh, yeah. Oh, except it's look at this. The bed's already here. It's not underneath.
This is like a cruise on bed.
Is that what it's like? Huh. It's not flipped upside down, so I don't know how that really works, but okay.
You take the cushions off and then you can just lay on them.
Oh, that's it?
Okay.
Let me look. I mean, that pretty much looks like that. Yeah, you just lay on it. Okay, interesting.
Like the pull-down beds that they have in the single small child Murphy beds.
Got it.
Instead of being...
Okay. And this is cool here. It's like a full shell here as a handle. That's really nice too. Big giant drawer here. Oh, it keeps going. Okay. Then I do like this lamp, kind of like, I guess, reminiscent of like coral or something like that. And then we have a new book out, the 100 Years of Wonder book now. Reptile Nautilus, my favorite. All right. What was it before? It was it was like One Day at Disney. Yeah.
The Disney Plus.
Got it. So now we have and it's got all the things from the exhibit, all the different posters and everything that were in, all the different rooms and all that. Yeah. That's awesome. Very cool. Okay. Might actually check that out later. Okay, so this is I really like this. This is a really cool TV cabinet design. And yeah, lots more storage. Just obviously one bedroom, just so much storage. I mean, all these drawers, all those drawers.
There's no Blu-ray player.
And then pretty nice TV stand. No Blu-ray player?
Yeah, well, when you open it.
Yeah, I don't see anything. But then many more plugs here, USBs and normal plugs on both sides. TV is pretty large. Yeah, it's actually a really nice size. Do you think that's the biggest TV that we've seen? Probably bigger than all the deluxes, I would assume. Got even extra storage there in the cabinets. And we'll go on the balcony in a second, but it's actually connected to the bedroom. So we have like an extended one. So we'll go out there. I actually have some bar seating here. I really like that. And it's even, you have like this old kind of almost like half wall here. So it's even like kind of, sectioned off a little bit. So that's pretty cool. And let's head on over here. We have the washer and dryer. Again, something we won't use, but it's nice that it's there. And I will close that later. Here we have the bathroom with the pretty big shower. No rainfall shower head, unfortunately, but it's still pretty good. And do have the individual H2O products. Sink, more H2O stuff, towels. And then you do have just the toilet in here, which is always nice. And some retro artwork there. All right, let's head back out. And I guess, does this just go? Okay, so well, there's the bedroom, but then here's the other bathroom. But I guess it just has like the tub.
And 2 sinks, which is nice.
Yeah, 2 sinks is always good. So sink here, some more products, hair dryers down there. And here's the unfortunate thing is that I thought this was gonna be a jacuzzi tub and I was really excited for that. It is just a normal tub, unfortunately. I'm pretty sure, yeah, no, not a jacuzzi tub, just a normal tub. But it's still cool to have. It's still our first time experiencing it and getting upgraded. So there you go, even more H2O products there. I really like this artwork above the tub.
It's giving me Piper vibes.
Yeah, Piper right there. And makeup mirror here. We actually have like a switchboard here. Then this closet, which is decently big. We have the iron, safe, vacuum, luggage rack thing. I think that's actually a pack and play. We definitely don't need that. And then there's an ironing board too. Hangers, all the normal stuff there. Nothing behind this door, right? Nope. Okay. Keep going. What's up? Onward. Okay, even more storage down here. Yep. Yeah, nice little ottoman there. Another mirror. Hello again. Then another nice. I really do like the TV stands here. Again, pretty much everything else that's pretty standard in a deluxe here. Some more nice artwork, nightstands with plenty of plugs. Let's check out back here. Yep, plugs there.
Yeah, got plugs.
Oh, there. So you actually got plugs this time.
I got plugs.
Yeah. So that's always a win too.
I like the lamp on the desk.
The lamp is good. Yeah, look at that 1 second. Even more plugs here. There is no shortage of plugs and USBs in this room, of course. Still a decent sized TV in here, just for the bedroom. Standard. Yeah, that's probably what you get in most deluxes. More artwork over here, very beachy. This lamp is interesting too. And a little chair here. And yeah, so you got your desk here with some hidden Mickeys in the back. Pretty much. And yeah, that's the lamp that you like. Yeah, that's a pretty good lamp. And even more, like even more stuff here. So I mean, yeah, both people on both sides can easily charge their phones. Yeah, actual bed is pretty good. You know, another hidden Mickey in the
I
towels.
think it's actually a king versus a queen.
I think you might be right. That, yeah, I think that's a king versus a queen. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. All right, awesome. So that's another, yeah, that's definitely something that'll be pretty good. Then I think that's pretty much it. So we can head outside.
You notice the bubbles?
Oh, is that what they are? Kind of like bubbles?
Like bubbles or like
Beads,
fish and
bubbles,
wine.
or like sea pearls.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
I think that's better than the deluxe studio. I think that was my biggest gripe.
What?
With the yacht clubs.
Yeah, Yacht Club's currents are so good with the constellations of the Disney characters. But yeah, here is our balcony. So it goes all the way over there, 2 chairs and a table there, and then whoop, all the way over there too. So really big balcony. There's back inside there. The view, you know, not much there, but still, it's a very, very big balcony. Especially, yeah, there's the more standard balcony up there. So we have like, I mean, we have like what, like 4 times that, kind of. It is so large. Yeah, and again, so wasted on us. But you know, it's nice to have it, and I'm glad we finally got a little pixie dust upgraded after staying in many rooms.
Well, every single, well, except for Boulder Ridge.
What?
That's coming soon.
Yeah, we stay in every DVC room except Boulder Ridge.
And a deluxe studio.
Yeah.
And a tower studio.
Yep.
So it's nice to finally get a 1 bedroom.
Yep. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. And let me flip this around. Okay, so that'll do it. I just wanted to, show off the room because it's, again, not something we're gonna be staying in too much because we only book the deluxe studios normally. So here's hoping we get pixie dusted again in the future. Not expecting it, but it'll be nice. But yeah, we're gonna enjoy this room. We're gonna enjoy the pool and all the amenities. I mean, that's what we're here for. Lazy river, giant water slides, sand bottom pools. Beach Club is just the best for that. But there's plenty of other videos to check out of that. I actually think I still have like my stay from August I have to upload. So maybe I'll just throw that up after this. There you go. Go check out that video if you want to see the actual amenities being used. Yeah, that'll be a good plan. And yeah, so that's it. Just want to show off the room basically. So see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.